Hi, this is The Guild. We are an Alibag and Mumbai based gallery, and this is our second time showing at Art Mumbai. And this time we brought a very strong set of artists to display at the show, from G.R. Ranna, K.M. Madhusudanan to T.V. Santosh and Vivan Sundaram. And we also have a work outside at the Sculpture Walk by Shibu Natyasan. So let me just take you through the works. This is a series of photographs by K.M. Madhusudanan, which is about the theatre troupe Surbi, which is based out of Telangana. And he created a documentary of this troupe called Maya Bazaar, showing their process as they put up one of their traditional shows, which is from a tradition they've been continuing for the last 150 years. And these are the photographs of their process as they put together something this incredible and epic. From here we go to KP Reggie. He's a very contemporary artist concerned with very present day issues. So this work is about migration and the refugee crises that are plaguing many parts of the world today. And it's faced in a head-on manner, in a way that you can't look away from the girl looking out of the canvas at you and showing the plight of her people who have nothing left to their lives except for their wings to fly away from their difficult situations. From there we go on to Vivan Sundaram's work called Marxism in the Expanded Field, Gita's Library. And this incredible work is a picture of his wife Geeta Kapoor's library, as it's seeing all of these incredible critical works by a number of Marxists, a number of radical writers over the years, and how the definition of Marxism has changed from what it was 200 years ago to what it's become in the present day, and the way that all of the parts that make up a library bring the concepts together into something new and evolved. Similarly, but not in the same way, we have T.V. Santosh's work. And T.V. Santosh talks about the web of conflict and violence that binds people together and keeps them away from the lush growing foliage, the lush nature that's available in the world behind us. But because we're trapped in a web of entanglements that are burdening us and holding us down, we're unable to free ourselves and unable to really participate in the beautiful world that's there if we really just reach out. From there we go on to G.R. Ranna and his incredible work, Golden Branches. Golden Branches talks about the way in which life is ephemeral and gold wealth, the pursuit of it, is something that doesn't last beyond the grave. In this work, Ranna uses gold foil and uses a systematic burning process to transform it from gold to ashes, and reminding us that wealth is temporary while nature is eternal. And finally, we come across to Kumari Ranjita's works. This artist has worked with fabric in order to demonstrate the injustice prevalent in our society of women's work and women's labor, which is so often going unseen. So the illumination of unseen works by this artist bring out something beautiful, something valuable in something that is otherwise seen as discarded, as old rags from collected saris. Ram Rahman's street smart works show the way that in which street art has developed in India, from posters to shop billboards to the various rickshaw banners and the statues that we see on our streets, but which are rarely considered in the same league as contemporary art. In photographing them, Ram brings these works from the street into the gallery and makes them contemporary, recognizing them as the art that they are. So these incredible works by Pooja Ranna talk about urban growth, the way in which the urban spread has expanded beyond our reach. And it uses an incredibly unusual material, stapler pins, in order to demonstrate the scale and ephemerality of this kind of architectural growth. The addition of the terracotta brings something a little bit construction like to the works, making it from an abandoned office block to maybe one that's in construction and maybe one that's continuing to grow. And then we have the work by Riaz Komu. It's titled "And Gandhi Said Death, Death, Death." And this work captures the moment of Gandhi's death. Just a few minutes after he had a conversation with the artist, the photographer, Henry Cartier-Bresson, who took a photo of him, and Gandhi responded in seeing the photograph, "Death, death, death." This is the moment in which a light flickered away from the world and away from all of our lives.